welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a Facebook group. Very simple, very easy. So what you want to do is navigate to groups right here. So you click on groups and you see where create new groups and a plus sign. So you click on that. So it brings you to this page, and what you do is write your group name. So let me just use share and learn. So I'm just gonna use and learn. So what you're gonna do next is choose your privacy. So I'm gonna leave it as private. So hide group and leave it as visible. So if you want to invite friends, it's optional, but I'm not gonna invite any friends. So I'm just gonna create a group like that. So when you're done, so you click on create. So the page loads up, and when it loads up, it brings you to your group right here. As you can see, share and learn. I'm the admin, the owner of the group. So as you can see, it's a Facebook group, very easy to create. So let me just write a post. Let me just write something. So let me write hi and welcome. Please like, share and subscribe. So I'm just gonna post that. As you can see, the group is working, so it's very simple, very easy. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.